Okay, this one we're going to do the same thing. They give you a table. They're asking which function best models the data. So they're giving you the answers are equations. So I need to put this in Desmos, add a table, just like we did problem number 8. And then you're going to type the regression equation function, which is y1 approximately ax1 squared plus bx1 plus c to get your a, b, c, a, b, c. This is an a, this is a c, this is an a, this is a c. Okay, so go type it in Desmos and then type your function that will help you figure out your A, B, or C for this problem.